In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect PlayStation 4 controller to Samsung S9. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up and use your DualShock 4 on a Samsung S9 or any other Samsung device that you have. The most convenient way to connect your DualShock 4 controller to any device, including a Samsung S9, is through Bluetooth. You can use a direct connection with a cable, however, I would highly recommend using Bluetooth instead. The latency shouldn't be too bad and it is much more convenient. So, to start, go over to your Samsung S9 settings and in there, go into the Bluetooth category. Make sure that Bluetooth is enabled. Once this is done, you will be able to pair up the DualShock 4 with the device. You have to set your PlayStation 4 controller into pairing mode. To do this, press and hold the PlayStation button and the share button simultaneously for a few seconds. Upon holding those two buttons down for a few seconds, you will see the light bar at the back of the DualShock 4 start blinking. This indicates that the controller is ready to be paired with nearby devices. So now, all that you have to do is choose the PlayStation 4 controller from the list of devices available for your Samsung S9. Immediately upon choosing it from the list, it is going to be paired up and the light bar should remain a stable color. This indicates that you are now able to use the PlayStation 4 controller wirelessly on your Samsung S9. You won't have to do this manually every single time that you turn it on in the future. It will remain connected, and as long as you do this once, you will be able to use it on games, emulators, and so on. If this doesn't work, I recommend unpairing the controller and then repeating these steps at least once. Once the connection is properly established, you won't have to repeat it every single time in the future, and it should remain connected indefinitely as long as it is sufficiently charged. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect PlayStation 4 controller to Samsung S9. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.